artificial intelligence. You hear about it all the time, right? It's everywhere. It's shaping how you get to work, what shows you binge watch, pretty much everything. But what is it really? Well, today, we're going to decode all that hype and show you what AI actually is, and way more importantly, what it can do for you.
So, let me start by asking you something. How many times have you already used AI just today? Now, if you're thinking zero, I want you to think again. Did you unlock your phone with your face? Or maybe ask for directions? See a movie recommendation pop up on a streaming service? Yep, that's all AI. The real answer is probably a lot more than you think.
Okay, so it's pretty clear we're all using it constantly. Let's make sure we're on the same page. In the simplest terms, what is AI?
At its heart, AI is all about finding patterns. It uses something called machine learning to just comb through enormous amounts of data, find all the hidden connections, and then make incredibly accurate predictions based on them. You can think of it like a superpowered detective, connecting dots that we humans can't even see. And the goal? To automate stuff, find new insights, and basically give us all some amazing shortcuts.
And that ability to find patterns, it's an absolute goldmine for businesses. So let's jump into how companies are using AI not just to get by, but to really get ahead of the game. It really all boils down to 5 huge advantages: making sense of your data, taking care of your customers, nailing your marketing, making production super efficient, and, of course, stopping fraud in its tracks. Let's break each of these down.
First up, data. Look, businesses today are practically drowning in data. AI is the tool that can process all of it. And I mean lightning fast. It takes these huge, messy data sets and turns them into crystal clear insights. These insights can then guide everything from a simple social media post to a massive company-wide strategy. It's all about making smarter decisions, backed by real data. Next on the list is customer service. One of the biggest superpowers of AI is that it never, ever sleeps. We're talking about AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants that can give instant support to customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And what does that mean? Faster answers and, you guessed it, much happier customers.
And then there's marketing. AI allows for a kind of personalization that used to be pure science fiction. Seriously, take Netflix, for example. It doesn't just recommend a show. It uses AI to show you a totally different picture for that same show than it shows your friend, all based on what it knows will grab your attention. That's not just targeted marketing, that's hyper-personalization. And believe me, it works.
AI is also a complete game changer when it comes to production and logistics. It can analyze and optimize an entire supply chain, from making manufacturing more efficient to figuring out the fastest delivery routes. And the result of all that? Less waste, lower costs, and some serious savings for the business. It's a no-brainer. And finally, we have to talk about security. AI systems are brilliant at spotting patterns, especially patterns that look, well, weird. This makes them incredibly good at catching and stopping fraud as it happens, protecting a company's money and its most sensitive data.
So when you put all of that together, what do you get? It's actually really simple. AI helps businesses cut down their risks by making them smarter and safer, while at the same time opening up brand new doors for growth. It's a really powerful 1-2 punch.
Okay, so we've seen what AI can do. Now let's pop the hood and look at how it does it. We're going to break down the 5 main types of AI that are the engines behind all these amazing things. Think of these as the fundamental building blocks.
Let's kick things off with the 2 heavyweights, machine learning and deep learning. You can think of machine learning as the basic engine that finds patterns in data. Now, deep learning, that's like a supercharged version of that same engine. It's actually designed to copy the neural networks in the human brain, which lets it handle way more complex stuff, like understanding images or all the little quirks of human speech. This is the brainpower behind tools you use all the time, like ChatGPT and Siri.
Beyond those 2, we have 3 other key players. There's natural language processing, or NLP. That's how AI understands our language. It's what makes chatbots actually work. Then you've got computer vision, which is how AI sees the world, like when your phone's camera can translate a sign instantly. And last but not least, predictive analytics. This one acts like a crystal ball, using data to predict what's going to happen next.
All right, enough with the theory. Let's talk practice. These different types of AI aren't just abstract ideas. They're the engines running inside real-world tools that you can go and use right now. I mean, the number of AI tools out there is just staggering. Whether you need to write an email with ChatGPT, create an incredible image just from a text prompt with Mid-Journey, or even automate your entire workflow with something like NN, yep, there's an AI for that. A lot of these are even built into software you're probably already using, like Canva.
To really see how this all comes together for a business, let's zoom in on a specific case study. It's a tool called Social AI, and it uses AI to give social media marketers a serious edge.
So how exactly does it give them an edge? Well, it uses computer vision to see things that a human might easily miss. So imagine someone posts a photo with your product in it, but they don't tag your brand. Socialized logo recognition finds it anyway. It can even read text inside an image or analyze the entire scene to tell you how people are actually using your product in the wild. It's like having 1,000,000 brand ambassadors reporting back to you every single day.
So we've gone through the definitions, the benefits, all the different types, and even some real-world tools. What's the big takeaway here? What does all this actually mean for you and your future?
Here it is. The big takeaway is that AI is not just for tech experts in giant corporations anymore. It's not some concept from a sci-fi movie that's decades away. It is a set of accessible, powerful, practical tools that are right here, right now, ready to help you work smarter, innovate faster, and grow your business like never before.
The technology is here. The tools are ready to go. The potential is absolutely massive. So really, the only question left is, are you?